Keep going, Dill. Hey, Dill, you're eventually vanishing. Is that refreshing?
Go on, Dill.
Dill, go in for him.
Dill, go under. Dill, go under. Dill, hold your breath and go under. Quickly. Dill, do it. Go, keep going. Dill, go under. Go under. Go underneath. Just quickly. Dill, just quickly. I didn't think it'd be this big. Did you? Dill, just go under.
You gotta come back.
Come back, Dill.
Come back.
Run.
Quick, there's a shark. Yeah.
Swim.
Come on, another 100 yards.
Dill, go under quickly, just quickly, 2 minutes. Dill, 2 seconds to get back out. Just go under. Go under, just quickly, hold your breath, go under. Hold your nose. Dill, do it. No. I dare you. No. Dip your head under there. You could die.
It's gonna get fucking leukemia or whatever it's called.
Come out same way.
Do you want to say anything? Dill?
I just don't want you to be on YouTube.
And where? You got anything to say for your last words? How you feeling? Dill, how you feeling?